Have you ever thought about writing a book but didn't know where to start? Many people have amazing ideas, stories, and knowledge, but they never turn them into a book. In this video, I will show you how anyone can write a book step by step, even if you have never written one before. Step 1. Start with an idea. Every book begins with a simple idea. Ask yourself, what knowledge do I want to share? What story do I want to tell? What problem can my book solve? Your idea could be about history, education, motivation, culture, personal experiences. Remember, a strong idea is the foundation of every great book. Step 2. Choose your target readers. A successful book always has clear readers. Ask yourself, is this book for students, researchers, children, general readers? When you know your audience, you can choose the right language, the right examples, the right style of writing. Step 3. Do proper research. Good books are built on knowledge and research. Use sources like libraries, books, academic journals, interviews, historical records, online databases. Take notes and collect information carefully. The stronger your research, the stronger your book will be. Step 4. Create a book outline. Before writing the book, create a clear structure. Think of it like a roadmap. Example outline. Chapter 1, Introduction. Chapter 2, Background of the topic. Chapter 3, Main ideas. Chapter 4, Examples and analysis. Chapter 5, Conclusion. This outline will guide your writing and keep the book organized. Step 5. Start writing the first draft. Now comes the most important step. Start writing your ideas. Do not wait for perfection. Just start writing your ideas. Important tips. Write daily if possible. Focus on ideas first. Don't worry about mistakes. Remember, every great book begins with a rough first draft. Step 6. Edit and improve. After finishing the first draft, start editing. Check grammar and spelling, clarity of ideas, flow between chapters, accuracy of information. Most authors edit their books 3 to 5 times before publishing. Editing turns a good draft into a great book. Step 7. Design and publish the book. Now your book is ready for publishing. You can publish through traditional publishers, self-publishing platforms, local printing presses, digital platforms like ebooks. Also design a strong book title, an attractive cover, and a clear layout. A good cover can attract many readers. Step 8. Promote your book. Writing the book is only half the journey. Now you need to share it with the world. You can promote your book through social media, YouTube, libraries, book events, educational institutions. Promotion helps your book reach more readers. Remember, every famous author once started with a blank page. Writing a book is not about being perfect. It is about sharing your ideas, knowledge, and stories with the world. So if you have an idea in your mind, start writing today. Your book could inspire someone tomorrow.